I stand still, facing the sea. The breeze touches my face, then weaves through my hair, making a wave like a fish swimming through dark curled strands. I feel the softness of the tips brushing my waist. Its weight almost nothing, yet its presence undeniable. I've always had this instinct, a sense of knowing where the invisible is, no matter where it hides. It's how I know that you're watching me, even now, at a distance. I wear red, not because it's in my nature, but so you can find me in this crowded, vast world. I turn away, not because it's arrogance, but to give you time and space to think. I would be your sun, not the one high in the sky, but the one deep beneath the frozen waters, echoing your light, even in the darkest nights. Let the water flow, carrying my energy to you. You'll find where I hide, and you'll land on the ice, using your warmth to melt the frozen walls between us. What a wonderful life that will be.